Here are the crucial steps and a complete guide to changing your YouTube account name, whether you have a personal or branded channel. And that is on 3 different devices: on desktop, phone or tablet. Right, okay, so for desktop, go on to your YouTube icon, go on to YouTube Studios. Then on the left hand side, you'll find something called customization. Click on it. You have 3 tabs in here. Click on basic info. So here we go. You can actually click on this pen icon and change it. However, I also wanted to show you how different it was before when you didn't have a branded account. So when you didn't have a branded account, then this is what you would have seen. But now I guess they have merged it together and it's giving you the option to, just change it as one name. You can either give it spaces as I have, or you can just delete the space and it will look like as if you're just writing your own name and surname, for example, if you'd like it like that. But then if you want to write a branded name, then this is how it is. You can basically customize it anyhow you like. Then once you've finished, then what happens is this publish button will be blue, and that's how you can just click on it. So I'm just going to show you guys, like for example, if I write 8 or just delete a character, then and the publish button then will change to blue. Then I can just click on it and publish it. Otherwise, cancel it if I don't want to save the changes that I made. Then that's it. Right, so on the iPad or iPhone, let's go on to your YouTube account icon again, and then click on where it says your channel. Now on here you shall see a pen icon again, so click on it. Yet another pen icon, click on this one as well. Now from here just change it to wherever you want and then click on the tick icon, and that's it. Of course, this is the same for Apple, iPhone or iPad. I also wanted to point out that not only can you change your name from this page, but also the description of your channel, as well as being able to toggle on, like if you wanted to keep your subscribers private or public. And then at the bottom you have the option to toggle on and off whether you wanted to keep your saved playlist private or public as well. Now let's go on to the Android device. I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually do this if you're not a branded account. Otherwise, all the steps that I've just shown for the iPad or iOS, it will be the same for Android as well if you have a branded account. Now on your Android device, go on to the YT Studio, then click on to your YouTube icon. Now from here, click on Manage your Google account. Then scroll to Personal Info. Down at the bottom, you'll see an option for name. Click on it and you shall be able to change your first name and last name, and then press on Save as it is. Then that's it for this one as well. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share it for more how-to YouTube videos. Take care. Bye.